There he go. See, I called his ass. I got food for you, G. Where you go? I'll get you on the camera so the camera can see you. There you go. You right about there. So lift it up a little bit. Camera can see you. Yeah, you see him. You see him. They hear me, folk. We here. Got the food for you, G. Come on, let me put some where y'all can see it. Out there, all right here. See him? House finches. Let's see. Put some right here. See if they gonna fuck with it. Drop some right there. Yup. And chill. They watching. I'm watching too. Make sure y'all get out here in nature, G. Fuck with the nature. Get back to the ancestors and shit like that, folks. The last one was off. I thought I was off a little bit. Yeah, they all on the. They around, G. They around. Tell your homies, G. Damn, folk. Damn. Folk next door. It's on my page. It's on the Instagram. Folks next door. Shorty died. That's crazy. Damn. They say don't say nothing until it happened type shit. So, fuck. Damn. Yup, I hear you, G. You up there. Y'all be watching. They always watching, G. Building, you know what I'm saying? Not a case, but building the word escapes me, but the word I use right now, for lack of better words, is rapport. They build rapports on you. You know what I'm saying? Who you are, what you are, how fast you move, how slow you move. Are you a threat? Are you a danger? You know, and based on those rapports, based on the analytics that they get on you, is how they fuck with you. You know what I'm saying? How they, damn, look. Damn. But yeah, based on the rapport, you know, is how they relay that shit to other birds. You know, how you moving, how you not moving, what you on, what you not on. We all right here, little folk. You bring your homies. Y'all brought your homies. Shit. Little house finches. You know what I'm saying? We coexist with each other. You know? We need each other. Right? They need us, we need them. Full circle. So looking out for them ain't shit to go in the crib and get a piece of bread, G, and throw it to them. Sit out here and wait for them to come around, talk to them and shit like that. Take a couple minutes. Fuck is you doing for a couple minutes? Take a couple minutes out your day, pop outside, go to a park or something like that, feed the ducks. They say don't feed them, don't listen to what they fucking saying. Why do you think they're telling you don't feed them? Oh, it's because you're throwing off your diet. Man, shut your goofy ass up. Let them tell you anything. But yeah, later days.